Do you know you're special to me? I'm special to you.
Hello everyone! I have a Shop Disney haul, 2 new Loungeflies, one which is right here, another one which is coming. I have an Elsa here.
Again.
Say hi! It is New Year's Eve and we are about to go to, where are we going, Landon?
Daddy's work.
Daddy's work to Disney on Ice. So I am saying goodbye, maybe forever, because it doesn't have side pockets, to my Hot Topic Christmas Loungefly. Landon, this might be yours next year. I'm gonna put everything into my new Loungefly that my husband surprised me with. Are you ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Somehow it matches my beautiful new sweater, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Da-da-da-da. It is the new 50th anniversary Earidescent Loungefly. Isn't she gorgeous?
So gorgeous.
Can you say ooh ah?
Ooh, ah.
Ooh ah.
I want to feel it.
When I opened it Christmas morning, Landon said, Mommy, I'm gonna take that to school.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Apparently this was hard to get. It was purchased off eBay and not Shop Disney. But the Christmas morning, it was all brand new. It had like all the packaging on it. All the packaging here was folded up and even had like the Shop Disney tissue paper. I brought out my very first Loungefly. Let's see, what Loungefly is this, Landon? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my 5th. I think this is my 5th. And then hopefully, I got one from 707 Street. It was supposed to ship out the end of December. It's the last day of December. I haven't got notified. So I'm probably gonna hold this video until I get that and show you that. And I also ordered something very new from Loungefly I've never ordered before. So I will show you all of those things as they arrive. But this, before I pack it up for our Disney on Ice trip, I wanted to show it to you. Has really pretty lining inside with the Mickey silhouettes. Really nice size pockets. Oh, what I was saying is I got this out because I thought maybe the pockets were bigger on the side, but they're not. Beautiful sequins bow, and then really nice straps, which the Hot Topic was not. Look how well it matches. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even do this on purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, I love you.
So I can see.
What is in this box?
What is?
I go like that.
Wow! Me? Small World game.
It's a small world game.
I played it.
Let's look at it. Can I see it? Oh, that is so cool. Yeah.
Just say hi.
You said hi?
Yes, hi. Do you know you're special to me? I'm special to you.
Are you talking to yourself or are you talking to Mommy?
Talking to myself.
You're telling yourself you're special?
Yeah.
That's so sweet.
Bye.
Are you special enough for these PJs?
Yeah?
Oh, they're not footed, but they have a hood and ears, just like Daddy's. You and Daddy can match. Daddy's boss got him a pair of these. So I need a picture of you and Daddy in these tonight for the tree.
I want to wear that.
And then Landon, you got this adorable shirt. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It's got like little pleats up here to make it girly. Established 28. Very good fabric. I love it. And then I got this. So usually I'm a medium, but Disney usually runs small. But this one actually looks a really good size. I got it in a large. I'm surprised how good this material is. Let me try this on. That is adorable. Do you see yourself?
Yeah.
What do you think of my sweater? This sweater is ridiculously soft, but it's almost like a sweater dress. It's so soft. What do you think? Should I keep it? I think I got it.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes, I do. Why is Mickey on there?
Is it Mickey or Minnie? I think it's Minnie. See your bow?
Where is Mickey?
It's Minnie.
Please cut these two tags off. Thank you. You should keep it.
I got 10% off with Disney Visa. So Disney actually just sent me a link if you guys want to sign up for Disney Visa. I don't know what I get with it, but I get some sort of something. I will put it below because I always get 10% off on ShopDisney and at the Disney store in Lancaster as well. So this was like just over $60. I just spent a lot of money for Christmas. I might return this. 3, insert the clock tower. Oh look, it's just, that is so cute. Lay it down. Yeah, so that's 1 score for us. All right, you wanna go, let's see if we can match some other ones. Can you see if this tambourine girl is in any of our rooms? So I got my first Loungefly order. It was on sale. And no, it's not a Loungefly mini backpack. I kind of forgot what I ordered. I feel like it's like smaller than I imagined. Oh, it came with a little pin. That is so cute. This is a size medium, so let's see how it looks. This is so adorable. I don't know how I feel about it though. How do you feel about it, Landon?
Good.
I feel like this is a like for a 25-year-old and for a bra that goes down. Yeah.
I'm gonna wear this outfit to dinner.
It's a little tight too. It's not, I guess it has give, but not like a ton of give for a medium. I don't know, what do you guys think? I mean, I think it was like $20 or $30. I'll put it on the screen. It was on clearance at Loungefly. And it's just like body parts of Mickey and Minnie. Where would you wear this? Like a day out at Disney Springs? I guess this is a Magic Kingdom dress. I'm not sure about this. It's adorable though. Like it hits you in all the right places. Thank you guys for watching my haul. I do have an amazing glow-in-the-dark Tinkerbell mini backpack from 707 Street. It was supposed to be here the end of December was the ship date. Now it's saying sometime in January. I have no notifications. I was gonna try to wait until that arrives, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this video up, and then there's gonna be a new 707 Street Loungefly unboxing. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. One more thing, I sent back the Minnie Mouse sweater. I think it's gorgeous, but it was just way too big and it was kind of expensive. So, and I hit up the Lily Pulitzer sale. All right, bye guys.